YouTube. So I have a new product that I found at TJ Maxx. I paid $19.99. It's the blue algae vitamin C Algenist. It's supposed to be really good. I got into the reviews that I saw right away. So let's see. You're supposed to use it 1 to 2 times a week. You're supposed to leave it on your face for 20 minutes and wash it off. So that's about every 3 days application if you want to. So once you take it out the box, comes like this. I washed my face already. You're supposed to leave a damp face, so that's why I don't want it to dry up. Oh, nice. Gotta tell you guys. They have... Oh, thank God it's going on my face. Oh, I forgot to show you guys my skin. But yeah, so my face was doing really good for a while because I've been doing micro needling. I did it 2 times and I felt like I saw some changes, but then my face decided to break out. Here was really clear. These are new, and this is new. This is new, but it was really clear for like a good while. All these pimples or bumps you see are new, okay? And I'm not loving it. It does have a smell, but I cannot tell you guys honestly. They said to avoid your eyes as always. So, yeah. You have to remember to use sunscreen because it can make your skin very sensitive. But yeah, that's it. I'll be back in 20 minutes. I'm gonna time it for 20 minutes. Then I'll be back so we can see. Let me see. So it's 4:56 right now. And this is natural lighting, so. But yeah, see you guys in 20 minutes. So it's been 22 minutes, roughly. How my skin is looking. It does have like a tingle, but it does say it on the box that it does have like a little tingle to it. And it's like minty in a way. So if you put it too close to your eyes, the mint will get in your eyes. So be aware of that. But yeah, I'm gonna wash my face. Let's see. Face clean. Nothing really. Feels clean. That's all. It's supposed to help with fine lines also, or something like that. So yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Or if I see changes. YouTube. So today is day 2. After using the blue algae. This is how my skin looks. I washed it already. My skin is squeaky clean right now. So I just want you guys to see up close. And this is natural lighting, just like yesterday. Okay, so I've decided instead of just using the blue algae every 3 days or 2 times a week, I'm gonna incorporate the microneedle today. Last year I ordered the Dr. Pen. It came nicely sealed. The box was nicely sealed with clear plastic. And once you take the plastic off, you find this box in there. I mean, once you open the box, there's this box in there. Once you open this, the pen is here. And once you pick this up, it comes with 6 different needle cartridges, the 2 of each. So I received the 36. These are the nano ones. So 2 nanos, 2 36. Why do I feel like it's upside down? And the 12. So 2 12s. So last year I did microneedle 2 times, and the first time I used so I ended up ordering extra cartridges for myself. That was before I understood the whole microneedling process. So I ordered the 42 because I thought that was actually good for the scarring, but it's good for absorption mainly because of how many pins are in it. And yeah, so it didn't really hurt that much. That one was actually it didn't hurt. And I use numbing also that I ordered off Amazon. So I didn't feel pain with the 42, and I went to the highest dial on the pen, and I was still good. You can dial it. I was still good. And but the second time I did it, I didn't really see much. Honestly, I didn't see results with the 42. I felt like it helps with the texture though. The texture it did help with. But the second time I decided to just try the 12 gauge. The 12 gauge did hurt. But at the same time, I changed how I numb my face compared to the first time. So I don't know if that made a difference, but this needle definitely does hurt. And the gliding was not really the best when it comes to the 12 gauge. So yeah, so let me show you guys. This is the numbing cream that I purchased off Amazon. I purchased the smallest one only because I wasn't sure if it was gonna work anyways. Look, it came nicely sealed also, which I appreciated. It was nicely sealed, and all you have to do is put this on your face for 20 minutes. You put it on your face for 20 minutes, and after that I believe it wears off. The numbing wears off within an hour or something like that. So just be aware when you do numb your face how fast you can microneedle or not microneedle. So yeah, so I washed my face already. It's super dry right now. So with that being said, I'm gonna glove one hand. And I washed this already, the tip, because I'm gonna be scooping my thing. Just because I don't want this video to be super long, I'll be back after application. But yeah, literally you just have to put, okay? I'll be right back when I finish applying my numbing cream. So with the numbing cream, you can double apply, meaning you can apply first the first 20 and then reapply it again. You can do that also if you want, but I don't. And I try to use the glove now because the first time I used it, I try to wash it off. You can't really, it's hard to wash off. It doesn't come off. So the best way I've learned how to take it off is with paper towel. So I just wet the paper towel and wipe my face repeatedly until I can wipe, I hope, everything off. But you can't really wash it that easily. And you will feel your lip getting numb sometimes. At least the first few times. I'm feeling it already. It starts feeling a little minty or cooling. And then Yeah. But I'm trying to put as enough because I want to really go in. The second time when I microneedle, it did hurt. After a while, I felt like my numbing was wearing off. But then that day, I didn't put it on my nose because I knew I wasn't gonna microneedle my nose. But this time I'm just gonna put it, even though I don't plan on microneedling my nose. I'm still just gonna put it because I don't know if the nerves that travel through my face are gonna play a part in my numbing. I don't know. Like affect how numb I get. But yeah, I'm starting to feel it already. Like you feel this cooling. Oh my god, my eye don't need no numbing. Oh my god, my eyelid is about to be numb. I hope I can still blink. But yeah, guys, I'll be back. Okay, so I finished applying. My technique is literally scoop, put it on my thing, and then just continue applying. But yeah, so we're done with that. I'm gonna put the timer. So it's 4:17 right now. So you would think by now, since I did it before, I will have a mask. I still don't have a mask. Still don't. So this is how I improvise, okay, guys? Don't be judgmental, guys. It worked before, okay? Oh, okay. I ruined it. It worked so well the first time. I ruined it this time. Oh no. Guys, just buy a mask. Don't be like me. Don't be lazy. But yeah, so the first time, this worked for me. And I still didn't buy a mask. If I learn my lesson, I'm going to buy a mask. If I do it next time. Don't come for me. Okay. So yeah, see you guys in a few. I pray it works. So I took it off. I have 1 more minute to go to make it exactly 20 minutes. But yeah, my lips feel numb already. Yeah, the top of my lip and here especially. Yeah, it feels weird. But my eyelids feel numb. It's weird because I didn't even apply it here. But I feel numb there. Like it feels different. But yeah, I just hope it lasts. I just hope I'm not in that much pain this time around. But yeah, I'm just gonna wet this paper towel and wipe it off. And then we can start.